Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to be making some cucumber salad. And it was one of my favorites when I was young and my mom made it. It's actually a German meal. It's called Räuchensalat. So it's really good. The ingredients that we use, you can double up on the ingredients or whatever, but I use 3 cucumbers. And then I've got 4 or 5 green onions I cut up. And then I guess about a half of sprig of fresh dill, a third a cup of sugar, some salt, and just about 1 cup of vinegar. And so now, very simple, you just cut these up. I use the larger size. And if it's a little bit chunky, it's okay. Just cut them up there. And it's really good. The trick to this is do it in the morning so it can sit all day long. And the flavors come out a lot better. I don't know if you guys had this in a restaurant or not, but it's really refreshing. Goes great with the roast or a laden. But we're gonna have a roast tonight, and I'm gonna be making some German Spätzle with it. So it should be pretty good. So we got that. My dog is ringing the bell. Check it out.
He rings the bell and then we let him out.
There you go. He's gotta go outside. Crazy guy. Anyway,
And he
so now
followed
you
you
just
back
add
in.
the onions here, the dill, and then a third a cup of sugar, and then 1 cup of vinegar, and then some salt. And the salt you can add more or whatever you like. Just take a fork. Very simple. And like I say, if you do this in the morning, it can sit all day long and just get all those flavors together. Mix it up real good. And you can add more dill or onions, but I love dill, so there's lots of dill in there. And you can see the liquid, all the vinegar. Just gonna mash that in there. And then you just cover it up, put it in the fridge all day long. Oh, it smells good.
Does smell good, fresh.
Yeah, it's really fresh. It's the 10th of December and it's cold out, but in the summertime this is an awesome meal. Just keep mixing it up. And then during the day you can take it out and mix it again a couple times before you have supper. And you can see that's sitting in there. Nice. And then the trick is,
Cucumbers off the side.
the trick is to, once you take it out, if this was sitting all day, you're going to get a lot of liquid out of it coming out of the cucumbers. And with vinegar, you can just drain it, get rid of all the excess liquid, and then that's it. And you'll be surprised how much liquid comes out of here. The salt will suck out some of the moisture out of the cucumbers. But that's it. There you go, guys. That's cucumber salad or Räuchensalat. for my German friends. There you go. Let that sit. Wrap it up. We'll put it in the fridge. Put it in the fridge and let it sit all day. And like I say, every few hours, take it out, mix it up, get it all the flavors together, wrap it back up, put it in the fridge. Come evening time, drain it, and there you go. You're gonna have the best fresh cucumber salad, and it's really good. The other version of this is sour cream. I'll have to make that one time too, but we love this one. It's awesome. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Ciao.